Hello students, I am Roshni Thawani and welcome to Business Studies class. So today we will understand the communication service. Communication service are helpful to the business for establishing links with the outside world, suppliers, customers and competitors. So communication is very important nowadays. You just imagine that if you wouldn't have your WhatsApp, that how you would have communicated with anyone. Or if we see, if we don't have the exposure of this Team Link or Zoom or Google Meet, then how we would be conducting the lecture. If we won't be having the smartphones, how we would be conducting the lectures and how we will connect with each other. So now in this pandemic, we can realize the worth of the communication, you know. So that's why communication, when it is very important in our individual life, so just imagine how it would be important as far as business are concerned. First, there are actually two types of communication which we are using from the beginning. That is one, postal service and telecom service. So we are going to study in detail that what is a postal service and what services they are providing. You must have not used post department ever, or if you have ever used that, what you have used, that you must have post something to someone or you would have sent some money to someone, right? In that manner you must have used the post, right? So what is postal service, that we would be understanding in detail. It is a wide network of service at national and international level under the control of government of each country. Indian Post and Telegraph Department provides various postal service across India. For providing this service, the whole country has been divided into 22 postal circles. 22 postal circles. Okay. So what actually till now we were understanding कि पोस्ट जो है वो सिर्फ डॉक्यूमेंट्स पास ऑन करता है या डॉक्यूमेंट्स एक जगह से दूसरी जगह भेजता है, आज तक हमने वही समझा था. लेकिन पोस्ट है वो बहुत सारी फैसिलिटीज़ देता है जो आपको नहीं पता होंगी. पोस्ट जितनी बैंक की फैसिलिटीज़ है उससे ज़्यादा भी पोस्ट आपको फैसिलिटीज़ देता है. चाहे वो गुड्स सेंड करना है, चाहे डॉक्यूमेंट सेंड करना है, चाहे अकाउंट खुलवाना है, मनी डिपॉजिट करने हैं, सेविंग स्कीम्स हैं, everything is done by post. But we are not that much aware that which facility that has been provided by the post. So there are mainly two facilities. One is financial, second is mail facility. So we would be understanding financial facilities. Okay, financial facilities, mainly these are the financial facilities which you are supposed to recall the names. The first is PPF, Public Provident Fund. Now what is a PPF? PPF is kind of a saving where you can invest a certain amount. Every month you can invest a certain amount into the bank. Okay, every month, every year you can save certain amount, because saving in Indian culture, saving is very important. So every now and then you have to save. So PPF, it gives you the option that you can save minimum from 500 rupees. बाकी कहीं जगह ऐसा नहीं कि आप 500 से सेविंग कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे आप 500 से सेविंग कर सकते हैं. दूसरा क्या होता है कि यहाँ पे आप कभी भी अपने पैसे रिटर्न नहीं ले सकते हैं जब तक आप, उसका ड्यूरेशन होता है 3 साल, 4 साल, 5 साल, 10 साल, 15 साल. ठीक है, तो आप कभी भी अपने पैसे रिटर्न नहीं ले पाएंगे. ऐसे ही ये बहुत सारी स्कीम्स हैं जो हम आगे डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. सो दैट यू नीड टू सी. mainly which I wanted to discuss was PPF. As I said, mainly was PPF. Just a minute. Second is Kisan Vikas Patra, which we are going to study further. National Service Certificate, recurring and saving, that we have already studied in bank. The whatever the bank, the facility they are providing, the same facility has been provided post even. सेविंग में क्या था कि हम अपना सर्टेन अमाउंट सेव कर सकते हैं. हम लोगों के जो बैंक अकाउंट्स होते हैं जनरली वो सेविंग ही होते हैं कि हम अपने पैसे घर पे नहीं रखते हैं, हम उस अकाउंट में पैसे रखते हैं ताकि पैसे चोरी ना हो जाएं या हमारा सेविंग होता जाए. ठीक है, तो बैंक भी आपको वो फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करता है. दूसरा जो है वो है रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट. रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट क्या है, उसमें मैच्योरिटी पीरियड कम होता है कि 4 इयर्स 5 इयर्स तक आपने पैसे रखे, आप 5 साल तक वहाँ से पैसे नहीं उठा पाएँ. सेविंग में से क्या होता है कि आपको जब मन किया आप एटीएम में गए या बैंक में गए, आपने पैसे विड्रॉ करवा लिए। लेकिन रिकरिंग में क्या होता है कि आप सर्टेन पीरियड तक, यानी मैच्योरिटी पीरियड, अभी आपको होगा कि व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मैच्योरिटी पीरियड। मैच्योरिटी पीरियड मीन्स वॉट एवर द ईयर्स वी आर डिसाइडिंग, we are going to keep this amount for 3 years, we are going to keep this amount for 5 years, so this 3 years or this 5 years would be known as maturity period. So recurring deposit means you cannot withdraw your amount till the maturity period. Okay, second thing, you will get the more interest than saving account in recurring deposit. So why one should save their money into the recurring? Because they would be getting the more interest in recurring rather than saving account. So this two accounts we have already studied in banking, and this is repeated. Other facility is time deposit and money order facility. So this we will study further. Next is mail facility. Mail facility means what? Mail. That means to send document from one place to another. So first, that is parcel service, that we are already aware that if we want to send our goods from one place to another, we can use this service, and that is a parcel service. Second is registration facilities. Registration facilities means, suppose if you are sending your documents from one place to another, you can go with registered ID. That means if the person would be getting that document over there, you would be आपको भी बताया जाएगा कि they have already got their document. So यहाँ पे क्या है कि रजिस्ट्रेशन में कि अगर सामने वाले को डॉक्यूमेंट या कुछ भी है वो मिल जाता है, तो आपको बताया जाता है कि दे हैव रिसीव्ड देयर डॉक्यूमेंट, ओके, और द वॉट एवर यू हैव सेंड. सो दैट कम्स इन रजिस्ट्रेशन फैसिलिटी. एंड द थर्ड इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इंश्योरेंस. हम ऑलरेडी इंश्योरेंस पढ़ चुकी हैं. वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीज. देयर आर एन नंबर ऑफ कंपनीज दोज आर प्रोवाइडिंग इंश्योरेंस, but Post is also providing insurance. So if we want to take our health insurance, life insurance, general insurance, we can take it from from post office also. So how many service been provided by this post office? So first, you can send your goods. Second, the banking facility, and the third, insurance facility. So all things have been provided. Now other than this, what they are providing, so these are the other than this, this services are been provided by insurance company. One is greeting post, media post, direct post, international money transfer, that internationally if you want to transfer your money. So here we have to study this. Speed post, अगर आपको अपना डॉक्यूमेंट बहुत फास्ट भेजना है कहीं पे, जल्दी भेजना है, सो कंपैरेटिवली जितना वो टाइम रेगुलर पोस्ट में लेता है, अगर हम स्पीड पोस्ट करेंगे तो हमारा जो भी डॉक्यूमेंट या पार्सल या कुछ भी है वो फटाफट पहुंचेगा. तो ये दो चीज़ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज टेलीकम्युनिकेशन सर्विस. द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एडवांटेज ऑफ टेलीफोन इज convenience and privacy. It provides to contact person within an organization and those outside the organization. Convenience. Whenever you want to talk, whenever you want to call, you can call and you can confirm the things. So these are the different types of telecom service. Cellular, mobile, these are the just name which you need to recall. Fixed line service, cable, VST and DHT. Okay, so this all things which we have studied, that was the telecommunication, I mean communication. One was post and second is telecom. See here, you just need to recall the name. We are not going to study in detail, right? So you have to recall this name. So next point would be transportation, but that we would be studying in the next lecture. So wait for my next video. Till then, thank you.